The Cody family has been running jobs. Be cool. For 20 years. But the time's up.
We got problems. Word around town is the Codys are weak.
Jay, you are in charge of the business.
What are you asking me to do?
What I tell you to do.
You trying to play me? That gonna be a problem for our arrangement?
We need money, or we could lose everything we've built.
We need to pull a job.
Anything I can do to help you?
Do I know you?
Meet your father.
Get him out.
The cops are looking at everything. They want the whole family.
Give up your boys. We can work something out.
Why did you put Jay in charge?
He's gonna get you guys killed.
What if they start shooting?
You shoot back.
Without trust, you've got nothing but lies
Everything's gonna be okay.
and chaos.
Instead of coming together, we fall apart. We're a family.
Emmy nominee Dennis Leary joins Emmy winner Ellen Barkin and the cast of Animal Kingdom. Season premiere Tuesday, May 29th on TNT.